What's good, sneakerheads? Well, I just got home. There's a package outside. Wondering if it's what I'm waiting for. Hopefully it is. Let's turn the light on. Ooh, it looks like it might be. I think it is. It is. So that makes me question, when did the post office allow shipment of bombs? You'll see what I'm talking about in the morning when I open it. So I'll see y'all then.
Alright, so, just to be safe, I dug a little pit for it, because you know how the other ones worked out. Little explosions and stuff like that. Well, this one is going to turn out to be massive. I just have a gut feeling. So, I've got a little stick thing, my blade attached to the end of it, and, let's do this. Oh, God. I told you there was a nuke that went off.
This is what caused it. There was a casualty. I did get the white ones, but now they're black. So it's a downside to it. But they look pretty bad. So, no, I'm just kidding. These are I would say, grail of mine, and I'm sure a lot of people, they were a Europe exclusive as of right now. But as like the other ones from past years, they could release in America probably into July or something, but it's kind of doubtful. These are the Air Jordan 3 Quai 54, the black ones. So they're size 12. And, I got to give a shout out to Top Dog 503. Make sure to go check him out on eBay. He hooked it up with these, with a really good price. Everybody's trying to hit it hard with these, and I understand why. He got them from sneakers and stuff, which it may have been a European exclusive, but the stores that have, stores in Europe, but also in America, they also got them here. So that's how he was able to get them from sneakers and stuff out of like New York, I think. But wow, look at that. From the second that I saw these, I was like, I have to get them. Not only because of the fact that I picked up the ones last year, but just the colorway, the materials, like when the car accident, when the Black Cement 3s came out, hopped on those, loved them. Then I got the Tinkers, and I picked up the Katrinas. I got a few more. But I love 3s. Everybody loves 3s. They're super comfortable. So when I saw that these were getting made up, like for the Quai 54, I was like, yo, all day. And they're black. You can't go wrong. Like, seriously, you cannot go wrong. For those of you that don't know, the Quai 54 event is a basketball, kind of like a street ball event that takes place in Paris, France every year, every summer to be exact. And it takes place at the same venue every year since I think 2002, maybe. It's the Place de la Concorde, and it's like right down the street from the Eiffel Tower. But every year that they have that street ball event, which is, typical games, but then there's a dunk contest. It's a 2-day event. But whenever they do that, they release apparel for it as well as 2 to 3 sneakers and a pair of slides, I believe, almost every year. I don't know about the slides though. The slides could be a new thing, but out of all the shoes that they release every year, they usually release like the top or the new like best performance shoe or something like that, and then they throw a retro in there, like a Jordan retro, because it's sponsored by Jordan Brand. It's the only yearly event that's sponsored by Jordan Brand in the world. And this year, the sneakers that they had were they had the Jordan Futures, which were all black. They had blue on the toe box, this color blue to be exact, on the toe box, green, this color, on the heel, and it had a pink wrap across the midfoot. They had and then it had the icy blue sole like this one has, the translucent blue sole. And then you had the Jordan, the new, actually, because they just started dropping the lows in this, the new Why Not 0.1 low Quai 54, which that one was a little too bright. The base color was white, I think, black or white, but it had a lot of white in it. And it was a switch up on either shoe. So the left was like green on the heel and the right was pink on the heel. And the ankle wrap was green and then pink. And, it had blue on the logo, I believe. With the same clear blue translucent bottom. And then you had these. But the cool thing is these also released in a friends and family. Every year they release, a retro, and then they friends and family that retro. Last year, they actually did the Jordan 1. Still haven't worn these, but they did the Jordan 1 high. You can see the Quai 54 logo. Kind of like a new Bucky feel to it. And the left one was blue like this. The right one was red. But and then it had red and blue bottoms. But the friends and family version of this was like right down the middle, red and blue, I believe, or it was like red and black, and then blue and black on the right. When I saw those, I was like, Jordan 1's got to get it. The year before that, actually, they did for 2016, they did the Jordan 2 for the retro, and it was like a white leather and gold. But then they also released a Jordan 30 Retro Cosmos, and that's the one that everybody jumped on. They jumped on both of them. I think the Jordan 2 was a little bit more limited, but I remember seeing it pop up, and all they had was like a size 10 left. I was like, should I get it? And I was about to get it, but I stopped because I didn't know, and those things were going for like $500 or $600 for the Cosmos. So that was a nice looking shoe too. I definitely, for real, you guys need to check out Top Dog 503 on eBay. Like, homeboy has the best deals on shoes. Like, he'll hook you up. He's honest. He did 2-day shipping on this one, and it was lower than what other people were asking for. So, you definitely got to look out. Go check him out. His store link's in the description. He's a real nice guy, real honest dude, so definitely check him out. And let's get these on feet real quick. these things are really comfortable. They're pretty much right up there with the regular Jordan ones, but this one, the quality of it's so much better. It's a lot lighter feeling. Like Jordan 3s kind of, they have a lot of padding inside of them, so it kind of like feels like it's wrapped your foot like a sock. This one's a little bit thinner inside compared to all of them, so it feels more like an athletic shoe, one that you can actually wear, like really comfortable. It's crazy, and the materials on it, like this is nuts. The bottom glows in the dark. That was another thing that attracted me to this, but you have black premium tumbled leather. I mean, this leather up here, it feels like, I don't even know like what it would, there's no other shoe that I have that really feels like this. It feels like it's got like a nubuck or a suede or like a really fine like feel to it. It's almost like it would, flip when you put your finger over it, like it would change dark and light. But this is definitely a suede on the toe and the heel right here. But this right here, I mean, you can see it. It's kind of like, I don't know, like it's definitely leather, like a premium leather. But I can't really put my finger on like where else you would feel this besides like maybe a couch or something. Like I really don't have another shoe that's like it. And that tells you a lot because I got a lot of shoes. I'm looking through all of them. Yeah, I don't see another one like it. All I can tell you is go pick up a pair. Like that way, or if you've got a friend that's got them, or you can, even if you go down to your local place and, you see them or whatever, you definitely have to feel these. These things feel amazing. And just to show you, I mean, look how thin that is. You see what I'm talking about? Like, there's barely any padding in there. It feels so good. They have the Quai 54 logo right there and the Jordan logo. Sorry if it's getting overexposed a little bit. I really like that standout look that it's got. It's got the clear jewel right here. But I really like, I mean, I'm not really big on bright colors that much, but when it comes to this, like, the balance of it, I don't know if it has to do with the story behind the shoe, like what it's made for. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna rock these. Definitely gonna rock these. They're like, you would expect this to be a shoe that they would release kind of for the LGBT, time frame, but nobody probably would have jumped on it because it's a little bit too vibrant, a little bit too eccentric maybe. But for the Quai 54, yeah, they always have different color schemes too. And on the tongue right here, like a hard plastic logo for the event. This one's got a hard plastic Jordan logo on it right there. But I definitely like this. I like the glow in the dark bit that they have in the bottom. I don't think any of the other models had the glow in the dark bit. And it pops too. There's the insole for this one. It's got the Quai logo. The other one's got a white insole with the Jordan logo on it. So black insole, white insole. Definitely an amazing sneaker. How many of y'all picked up the sneaker? How many of y'all wished you picked up the sneaker? Because, I mean, this dropped the same day that the Yeezy 500 Utility Black dropped. And I actually put in for the raffle on Sneakers and Snuff for both of them. And I got an email that said, you were charged $190 or 200 and something dollars. I was like, oh, please let it be the Quai 54. And it turned out to be the Yeezys. But ultimately, got both of the ones that I wanted for that drop. And thank you again, Top Dog. His name's Nick. Thank you again for hooking it up. I will definitely come back for more. And you guys definitely make sure to check him out. The next video, I was expecting to do it on this one, but I was having an issue finding a site to be able to get the polls and everything. So the next video that I'm dropping is going to have the poll for the giveaway on it. So make sure to subscribe. You're not going to be eligible unless you're subscribed. Make sure to follow me on my social media. I mean, if you're not following me, it doesn't matter on social media or on my, Twitter and Instagram and stuff like that. The only thing that matters is my YouTube. You have to be subscribed to win on my YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on social media so that way, I'm going to post the poll there and in the description box. But just in case I can't post a description, you want to be following me over there. And when the next video drops, look for it. Check my social media and everything because the poll will be there. You guys get to select what you want, and we'll go from there. And then I will, do a little thing where you guys enter for a few days and then pick off of there, and then we'll go. Whoever goes or whoever gets selected off of that wins. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Check this video out for the giveaway. And, spread throughout the video. I had the video that I dropped on the last year Quai 54s and, a few other ones. So check those out too. But yeah, I will catch y'all later. Be safe and have a good one. Peace.